would be rude to keep them waiting. So let us see how they like good Roman steel. Units, on my orders! Units!
Well, I thought that Rome would be bigger because at the time 1 million citizens lived inside Rome. So can we do some fire at will? Yeah, of course. Okay, start shooting, guys. They are loading. Maybe I should make more of these. Look at this. Burn it all the way to the ground. It's already burning. Well, that was easy. Nice. Burn the city. Let's fast forward a little. To see how much damage we can actually do to Rome. Get the walls. Taking Rome with Rome. Alright. Let's get a little closer so we can also shoot the buildings in the center.
Now we must fight all the harder to take the walls. Praise the gods! The siege towers are at the walls. Now the real fight begins.
Looks good. Now stop the fire. Fire ammunition. Flaming arrow. Flaming ammo. Okay. That's how they call it. Break the wall. Can we break this wall there? Shoot. Oh, that was easy. Shoot again, guys. Bring down the wall.
Roman military engineering triumphs once more. The walls are down.
Maybe we can shoot the gate as well. And some of the towers. Oops, that was too easy. Alright. It's almost like we are shooting tennis balls. Look at these gladiators. Well, killed him. I think this single squad of gladiators can kill all the militia in this town. We should go for this challenge. Okay, good. Next one. Take them out. Okay. Let's see, we can change our formation, right? Oh, no, it's not possible. Okay. The Spoor Militia. They have no idea who they are dealing with. I still have 96 men left. Look at this, guys. Isn't this a fair battle? Look at this. Right. Come back, cowards. Don't let them escape.
General is running away. This is no way for a leader to behave, but in battle, it's beyond belief.
Units, advance!
All right.
The gods have filled the heart of the enemy general with fear. Now he flees the field like a coward. The gods be praised! The enemy general is dead! His men know their doom approaches. Kill them! Waiting for orders. Move!
We won.
Hurry! Loose formation! Attack! Ready!
Eat some more. Okay. Great.
Ready! Ready!
Waiting for orders.
This is the Colosseum.
This is a heroic
Lucas.
worthy of Roman arms.
Well, thank you for watching.